To view the Consultation Summary report, go to the Reports menu and click Consultation Summary. Choose the date range that you want to view the consultations and click the search icon. If you want to view a consultation summary of a specific patient, you can filter this by choosing a patient before clicking the search icon. You can also filter this by clinic or payment method. To view the exam summary report, go to the exam summary module, choose the date range, and click the search icon. If you want to view the exam summary of a specific patient, you can filter this by choosing a patient before clicking the search icon. You can also filter this by clinic. To view the fees summary report, go to the fees summary module. Choose the date range that you want to view the fees and click the search icon. If you want to view the fees summary of a specific patient, you can filter this by choosing a patient before clicking the search icon. You can also filter this by what clinic or what specific fees you want to view.